Usually known for her aggressive stance against the BJP government at centre, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Monday sought to keep differences aside to get financial relief for the state. The Trinamool Congress chief met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi over issues of development and economic hardships that West Bengal has been facing. Demanding a loan waiver for the state, Banerjee also voiced her concerns about pending financial releases. During the meeting, the Prime Minister said that he is a firm believer in cooperative federalism. He added that he has constantly been saying that only strong states can make a strong India and therefore states must be strengthened to meet development needs of their people. He said that centre is fully committed for the development of West Bengal and Kolkata. The West Bengal Chief Minister said the Prime Minister applauded her government's work and assured the state of all possible help.
जो चर्चा हुआ है, चर्चा का बाद में प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो कहा है, वो कहा है कि ये बात सच है कि पश्चिम बंगाल को कर्जा सबसे ज्यादा है, देश में सबसे अधिक है। लेकिन तब भी एक बात है, इसका ये परिस्थिति में भी आप लोगों ने फाइनेंशियल डिसिप्लिन किया है फाइनेंस को, और आप लोगों ने बहुत बढ़िया काम किया है और आप लोगों को फाइनेंस की परिस्थिति भी आप लोगों ने बहुत बदल किया है। आने वाला दिन भी आप लोगों ने बहुत सुधराएंगे जैसे आप लोग चल रहे हैं। हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि हमारा भी ऊपर बहुत सारे देश का कर्जा है, जैसे इंटरेस्ट का कर्जा है बहुत सारे स्टेट के लिए, तो हम कोशिश करेंगे मिलजुल के अगर कोई हल निकाल सकता है।
The centre recently accepted the recommendations of the 14th Finance Commission, which paved way for devolution of 42% of divisible pool of taxes to states for the next 5 years. The share was 32% previously. As per the new development, West Bengal will get additional 1,80,000 crore rupees over the next 5 years. The total additional resources going to West Bengal over the next 5 years will rise by 2,05,900 crore rupees. On the issues of debts, the Prime Minister said, just like the Mamata Banerjee government, centre's BJP government has also inherited a large burden. He added that centre and the states have to work collectively to find a solution. On the issue of Manrega, the Prime Minister assured that the scheme is fully provided for and West Bengal will receive the pending claims of 1,500 crore rupees in March itself. Mamata Banerjee was heading a delegation of TMC MPs. The Prime Minister said that no stone will be left unturned for the development of the state. With inputs from Anuj Yadav and Sudhakar Das, Newsnight Desk, DD News.